Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel the Notion app subscription. So let's get started. So here we can see or search for the Notion app. Okay, Notion app. So here you will just open it and you will just log in with your ID, whichever ID you purchased subscription from. Then you will just open your Google Play Store. Then here to the right section, you can see your account option. Just open Google Play Store. And if you're iOS user, then open the Apple Store. Then on the right side, click on here. Then you have to click on the payment and subscription here. Okay. So then click on the subscriptions. So here we can see the subscription active and expired. And on the active ones, you have to click on the cancel and cancel the subscription. And in the expired ones, you have to click on remove. Then click on the remove button and it will be cancelled. So by this way, you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.